In this video, I want to tell you how to make text effects look like stairs in Adobe Illustrator. First step, use the Type tool. In this tutorial, I used the Roboto Black font. Type the word you want to input. For the text color, I choose red. Enlarge the text size and adjust its position. Right-click on the text, then choose Create Outlines. After that, right-click again, select Ungroup. Next step, use the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle the size of the text. I will change the color so that it is different from the text color. Move the rectangle under the text layer. Select the rectangle, then go to Object, Path, and choose Split into Grip. I will make it into 4 grids. Make sure each text layer is above the rectangle layer. Select all layers except the background layer. Open the Pathfinder window. Then select Divide. After that, right-click again, select Ungroup. Delete all grids that are outside the text. Separate each grip on the text into 4 groups. In the next step, I will select grid 1 and 3. Go to Effects in the menu, 3D, then select Rotate. In the Position option, I choose Isometric Top. Then choose OK. Select Grid 2 and 4. Go to the Rotation Effects window again. In the Position option, select Isometric Left. In the Surface option, select Diffuse Shading. Click More Options, then adjust the ambient light value as needed. The last step, I need to adjust each line of text. It takes patience and accuracy to do this step. If the space size is too far, minimize the keyboard increment value in the Preferences settings. and the result will look like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.